We're discussing the formal organization and informal organization. The difference between formal organization and informal organization. Then we'll study the features of formal organization and informal organization. What are the features of formal organization? From the definition we read most of the things. Formal organization is mostly defined, written, and created by management and formally. That is what the first feature you can say. Definite interrelationship. A formal organization has a definite and mutual relationship among the employees. Every employee is known who is the report. So that means every employee knows who has the report to whom. କିଏ କାହାକୁ ଅର୍ଡର ଦବ, କିଏ କାହାକୁ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କରିବ, କିଏ କାହାକୁ କାହାଠୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ପାଇବ, ସବୁ properly defined ହେଇଛି, written ଅଛି, agreement ହେଇଛି. Through this hierarchical structure, a definite relationship is established among the employees. But that is why it is written the first feature, definite interrelationship. So through that structure, it is defined. This relationship, the work breakdown structure, the direction, the reporting structure, everything is defined. Rules and regulations. A formal organization has rules and regulations that have to be followed by all employees. The goals are achieved efficiently if one follows the rules and regulations. That means who is doing what, all the roles and responsibility, rules, regulations, everything is defined in formal organization. Formal organization has rules and regulations that have to be followed by all employees. Everyone has to follow that. Division of work. There are different departments working in the organization. Thus, the division of work is done for working smoothly. ମୁଁ ତମ ସ୍କୁଲ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ ଦେଉଥିଲି, ତମକୁ ଯିଏ ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ପଢ଼ଉଛି ସେ କ'ଣ କେବେ ଇଂଲିଶ ପଢ଼େଇବେ, କି ଯିଏ ଇଂଲିଶ ପଢ଼ାଉଛନ୍ତି ସେ କ'ଣ କେବେ ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ପଢ଼େଇବେ, তোমার সংস্কৃত টিচার ଅଲଗା. So everyone has their own role and responsibility and they work accordingly. তোমার সংস্কৃত টিচার আছে ইংলিশ টিচার লাগে তোমাকে ମୋ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ପଢ଼େଇ ଦେଲ, ଇଂଲିଶ ଟିଚର କେବେ ସଂସ୍କୃତ ଟିଚର କହିବେନି ତମେ କାହିଁ ମୋ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ପଢ଼େଇ ଦେଲ. So they have their own tasks, own roles, everything is defined and divided. So they work based on that. So the entire operation will be smooth, no conflict will arise. Stability. A formal organization is stable in its work. So it has more longevity, more stability. Because things are defined, things are written, things are formally accepted. It is deliberately made and several rules are set to achieve the organization objective. Stability means it will be long run. Stability means in a long run, the organization will stay, nothing will impact. If a person is leaving, if a person is doing a different job or promotion, So in that case, there won't be any difference in the structure in the organization. So it will stable, it will be staying for a long. What you studied in informal organization, if any changes will happen, the organization will collapse. Nothing will stay. That is the main purpose of formal and informal organization. Main features. In informal organization, there won't be any rules, there won't be any regulation. That is what mentioned. No rules and regulations. An informal organization has no rules or regulation. It is spontaneously made based on the personal interest of people. That means you know some people, you are grouping those people. Maybe those people are your friends, like-minded people. ସେଇମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ତମେ informal organization create କରୁଛ. In that case, you don't have any work division, your any rules and regulations. Nothing has been written. Communication is very informal. That is the features. An informal organization has interdependent channels for communication. There is no official way of passing on the information. However, the person with the lowest rank can be the direct contact with the person of the highest rank. So I was telling, there is no position, no hierarchy. So no one is higher, no one is lower in informal organization. Formal organization, there is a position, there is something is defined, who is the boss, who is the manager, who is reporting to whom. But in informal, there is no hierarchy. Anyone can ask anyone, anyone can direct anyone. There is no stability, no. In informal, there is no stability. That means if you don't like, you can go somewhere you don't like, you don't join in the group, you don't join in the organization. So that will collapse the organization, that will break your goal. These are the features. So once you understand the meaning, so the differences, the features, the advantages will read it, but the features, differences, and meaning, all these are same. Once you understand the concept, once you understand the meaning of formal organization and informal organization, you can write the point. So what I was telling you, remember those points. What is the meaning? How it is created, purpose, what is the nature, how communication happens, what is the control mechanism in each organization, what is the authority, size. So once you read this point, you can write under this, you can expand, you can elaborate each of these points by writing the meaning, differences, features, characteristics. All these are same, so you have to remember those points. We'll continue this and we'll read more on structure, how the different structures, this different relationship exist in the organization, and also how it is helping, what is the advantages and disadvantages of each structure. We'll read it. in the next class. Today I will not discuss anything more. Mainly, you read the organization, formal and informal organization. If you have any question, let me know. So next class we'll discuss that in detail and we'll continue the advantages and different structure of organization. Today we'll end the class here.